Alright, this is a walkthrough of tryhackme's walking an application room. The first task wants you to start the virtual machine, which I have started, and then it wants you to go to this web address, so I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste it in, and Acme IT support successfully loads, so I'm going to click complete on task 1. On task 2, wants you to read the basics of navigating a website and complete on that one for task 2. Task 3 talks about viewing the page source of a website. So let me put these side by side so we can see. Okay, so in Firefox, to view the page source, simply right click and go view page source. And that's the HTML code from the main page. So it says for the first flag, we're going to look at this comment at the top of the HTML code. And it says this is a temporary page where they work at a new home page located here. So we're going to copy this /new home beta. And we're going to put it at the end of the original URL, and that gives us our first flag. HTML comments are dangerous, so we're going to copy this, put it here, submit, and then it says the second flag is in a secret link. So let's go back to the page source, and links are all these referenced by href here. Say secret somewhere. Oh, here we go. Secret page. So we'll click on it and go to the secret page. And there's our second flag. Go back, copy and paste it. Talks about a directory listing page. We'll go back to the page source. Several of the links come from a /assets page. So let's go back to this page, and we're going to take out the new home and we're going to put in assets. And that flag.txt looks suspicious, and there's a flag code there, so I'm going to copy it and I'm going to try it in this one. And that is the one I'm looking for. And then it talks about a flag associated with the framework. So we'll go back to the page source, and then typically you'll see information of the framework down toward the bottom. It says to visit this link here to see the framework information. So we're going to copy the link, and I'm going to go to a new tab, paste and go, and let's look at the change log. So it says in version 1.3, a /temp.zip directory could possibly be read by visitors. So I'm going to copy that temp.zip, and over here where we put assets at, I'm going to remove that and put the temp.zip in. That gave us a download. So let's open it. And inside the zip file is a flag.txt. So let's open the text document. And we have another tryhackme flag. So let's copy it and see if this is our last one. And it is. All right. Let's go to task 4. So it's looking for a flag behind a paywall, and it talks about using developer tools. So let's go back to our main page, and for Firefox, developer tools are underneath more tools, well, developer tools. And if I go up to the reading section, it says to go to news, and then the third option behind the paywall, right click on the container, go to inspect, and it actually go to the specific section of code I'm looking for. And then here's the elements for the div premium container, and that says display block, and so we're going to change that to none and hit enter. And now we see our flag. Come back over here, and I'm going to type it in because it won't let me copy it. Alright, so now we're going to look at the debugger tools. So we'll click on debugger. It says to go to contact, fill out the form called hello. Then when we send a message, there was a real quick red box that came up, and you can also see that there's a bug mentioned over here. So if we open up assets, it should be Flash Mini there. And then that's going to be the compressed version of the JavaScript there. If we click these little icon here, it gives us a longer view of it. And we're looking for a box that says Flash Remove down here at the bottom. So you should be able to click on that number. Yeah, that blue is going to tell it to skip it next time. So I think refresh the page. And there's the red box that popped up so fast we couldn't see it. And there's our flag. That's correct. So we'll hit that just to bypass everything and take the block out. So now we need to look at the networking tools. It's still debugging, so let's click on that to take that out. go to networking. Let's clear some of these to make room. We're going to send a message and see this one event that came up when we sent a message. Let's open it and see what all it says in the message. And it references another web page, contact/message. So we're going to copy that value and we're going to go to another tab, paste and go. And there's our tryhackme flag. Copy it, paste it, click submit. And that successfully completes this room.